I'm going to make a little video, short video on how to install the mini boards. It's really easy. There is a E-clip right under here. Just have to pry that off. Make sure you don't lose it. Okay, there's an E-clip under here that you need to take off. There it is. Just got to make sure you don't lose it. And then you just kind of work the pin out, holding on to the spring. Okay, so that's out. Here's the spring. You're going to reuse that. Get the new spline, the new adapter. Put a little grease. The spring back. Hold it in place. Put that back in there. Play with it a little bit. Get it in there. Oh, come on. There we go. Put the E-clip back. Sure it's in the groove. There we go. E-clip is done. And then that's the new spline. Now with these adapters you're going to lose a little bit. Well, you're going to lose a lot of the give, but they still work. Now you take the bolt that comes with the boards, put a little Loctite on there, blue Loctite. Board in place wherever you want it. It has 3 different locations. I put it further back. Then you just place that in there. Tighten. Sure you're not stripping it. See, this moves around until it gets nice and tight. Then once you're tightening it up, just put the boards in the angle you want it. That's where I have the other one. I have to check and make sure that it's lined up with the other side. Done. Easy peasy. Now on this side, depending on what size boot and what angle you put this on, you might have to adjust the shifter. And to do that, you loosen these two nuts, 10mm nuts, and then you just twist this rod either backwards or forwards, and it raises and lowers the shift lever. And then once you're done and you get it to where you want it, you just tighten these back up and you're good to go.